What kind of dog is that? Golden doodle? Like a poodle and a golden retriever, right?
Yeah.
What's up?
Definitely a lot more poodle.
Can I give him a treat? What's his name?
Sure.
You want a treat? Oh, he's like, okay, we're performing. We're performing. All right, Hoover. Here you go.
Oh,
You
I
ready?
don't know about that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
He loves pizza, man.
can't have that.
Okay, all right. I'm sorry. Here, I'll give him something better. My bad. He's got to join you guys on Sunday Fun Day. Right? Come on. Here you go. Ah, he saw it. Look, he wants a tequila. Look, he's like, give me that tequila.
Probably drink it.
Let's try it. Let's see what
Here,
happens.
mix it with the beer.
Welcome back to How to Prank It Up. I'm Dennis Rohde, and today we're giving treats to dogs. The best treats ever. Let's prank it up. Oh, these dogs are so cute. Can I give them a treat? You want a treat, big guy? Here, I know you'll love this. You'll love this here. Oh, yeah. It's okay to have a taco? Really? Oh, lots of poo?
Yeah.
Can I give her a treat?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Not pizza, she'll die.
She likes pizza?
No.
Oh, she'll die, like
Not-
literally?
No, not literally, but if you do this, she'll sit.
Here you go. Hope you like tacos. Can I give him a taco?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
You didn't even wait for that, you head.
That is so cute. Hi. I hope he likes these big subs. There you go.
Oh, I was like, wait.
No?
Oh, not food.
No?
No.
You really trying to get a tequila?
You know, Sunday Fun Day. He looks like Gandalf. Gandalf the Great. Can I give him a treat?
Sure.
Would you like some pizza?
Oh, no. Please no.
He's a lover. Can I give him a treat?
Hey, you got something?
Yeah, I do. Does he like
Make him sit.
Chipotle?
Oh, my God.
Sit.
You should give him an entire Chipotle burrito.
No, yeah?
Don't give him an entire
Okay, I will. I'm sorry about that. No burritos. No, man, no, but I know they might like a sub. No? Look at his face. How could you say no? Oh, this is Goodfellas pizza, puppy.
Oh, he wants it so bad.
Can you have it? Go.
That is so.
Take a bite.
Oh, my God.
Give me that. Get it.
Alright, that's hilarious.
Oh, don't give me the
No tequila, you sure?
plastic.
How about? Yeah, it's water.
That is hilarious.
There's some water, puppy. I was thirsty anyways, huh? That's a cute dog. What kind is that, collie?
Australian Shepherd.
I like the colors. Can I give Finn a treat? I got a burrito right here.
I don't think he wants that.
You sure? I bet he would.
He definitely wants
It's actually Chipotle burrito.
It's an actual Chipotle burrito.
No, it's okay.
You sure? Look, he's dancing. Look,
Of
look.
course they want it.
Hey, look at that. You're like a little human.
I'm baffled by the real food. Like I saw you giving somebody a taco in the dog park.
Yeah.
Like,
What are you pulling out of that bag?
What else you do? He got everything in
got in
there.
You wanna? I got something. That's your puppy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know what he wants.
Uh-oh.
I know. If that's your mama, he wants some tequila. Here you go.
Mine.
That's water and medicine.
Yeah, and if he drinks it, that's your pup. Yeah. He's just like you, isn't he?
Just like his pops.
Yeah, now listen, you're probably gonna wanna walk him. He'd be a little wobbly on them curbs now.
Yeah, right.
When he move out the bowl, I might finish it up.
Yeah, good boy, here you go. You want a big sandwich? Can I get?
Get the whole sandwich?
No? Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you love this so good. Okay, I'm sorry.
All right.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She's on a little diet. No way. No pizza either.
All right.
She would love you.
All right. Tequila.
Oh, well, now you're
I got a dog bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, this food in my bag is ridiculous. Zimmer, sit and get a treat. Okay, you want a Chipotle burrito?
Oh, God.
Can I get it? Oh!
God, no. I'm so
Oh!
sorry.
You sure he doesn't want to eat it?
I don't want to eat all of that.
Oh, he would have loved it. All right, everybody, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what treat I should add to the bag and which dog was the cutest, your favorite dog. Let me know in the comments below. Live inspired, shock the world. I'll see you next time. This This video is brought to you by EduBirdie.com. It's a professional essay writing service. So if you've been procrastinating on your paper, streaming Fortnite, running late, nights at the hospital, you got caught up with something, check out EduBirdie.com. They'll write the paper up for you, at least give you something to work with, and it might help you out. Link in the top of the description. Enjoy the video.